Welcome to this demonstration on managing immutable values in C#. Today, we'll explore the differences between values that are set at compile time and those that are assigned at runtime but remain unchanged once set. In our first example, we show a value that's determined at compile time. This value, pi, is embedded directly into the code wherever it's used. This approach is efficient but inflexible because if you ever change that value, every piece of code that uses it must be recompiled. Next, we contrast this with a value called startup time. This value is initialized when the program starts, and although it remains constant throughout the program's execution, it is determined at runtime. This allows for more dynamic behavior when the exact value isn't known until the program runs. In a second example, we simulate a scenario where you might need to compute a value when your application starts, such as reading a configuration or performing a calculation. By using a static read-only field and initializing it in a static constructor, you can ensure that the value is calculated once and then remains immutable. This method offers a balance between flexibility and performance.